Have you ever heard of the Southern Ocean? Maybe not, because it's often left off maps, relegated to the sidelines of geography textbooks. But here's the truth. This ocean plays a colossal role in Earth's climate, global currents, and even geopolitics. We're about to uncover why this hidden ocean matters more than you think, from its powerful currents to its role in global trade, sovereignty disputes, and climate change. Get ready for some mind-blowing marine trivia you didn't even know you needed. Historically overlooked, the Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean, surrounds the continent of Antarctica and stretches generally from about 60 degrees south latitude to the continent's coasts. Though debates linger among cartographers, the International Hydrographic Organization, IHO, officially recognized it in 2000. Here's the rub. Many school atlases omit it, instead folding it into the Pacific, Atlantic, or Indian Oceans. That's why millions don't even realize it exists. Let's look beyond the maps. Flowing uninterrupted from west to east, the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, ACC, is the planet's most massive and fastest current, carrying more water than any other. It connects multiple ocean basins and drives climate by redistributing heat and oxygen. The ACC acts as a gatekeeper, limiting ocean warming and exchange between cold southern waters and warmer northern seas. It's like the Earth's global cooling system. Without this current, climate models would look very different. Scientists call it one of the Earth's climate control knobs. When Antarctic sea ice shifts, the ACC is affected, triggering sea level rise and altering weather patterns as far north as California, Europe, and Asia. The Southern Ocean is home to some of the world's most unique ecosystems. Krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures, form the foundation of the Antarctic food web, feeding whales, seals, penguins, seabirds, and even humans in some cultures. Their highly productive blooms fuel life that thrives nowhere else. You'll find the emperor penguin, which breeds on pack ice and withstands temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. The Weddell seal's ability to dive up to 600 meters deep under ice floes is nothing short of miraculous. On the ocean floor, hydrothermal vents host microbial life around thermal energy, organisms that thrive without sunlight, surviving in toxic, high-pressure cold. Scientists believe the Southern Ocean holds incredible biochemical resources, enzymes, pharmaceuticals, and materials with applications in medicine, biotech, and even biotech-based carbon sequestration. Yet, much remains unexplored. Southern Ocean waters are a major carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, potentially 20% of the global ocean's intake. Intense cold and phytoplankton photosynthesis make it one of the most effective carbon dioxide storage zones on Earth. But this system is delicate. Warming waters and melting Antarctic ice disrupt the biological pump, limiting carbon dioxide absorption and accelerating global warming. Understanding how this works is vital to predicting future climate outcomes and making policy decisions. Climate scientists urgently study this ocean to better predict how global warming might affect the entire planet. Don't let maps fool you. This isn't just a pristine, unclaimed wilderness. The Southern Ocean lies at the heart of a growing tussle over fisheries, minerals, and shipping lanes. The Antarctic Treaty System, ATS, governs the entire region south of 60S, suspending territorial claims and allowing peaceful scientific cooperation. However, as ice melts, new shipping pathways and fisheries open up, leading to competing interests. Nations including Australia, Argentina, Chile, New Zealand, Norway, and the UK maintain sovereign claims extending into ocean zones. The Commission for the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources, CCAMLR, regulates fishing, especially krill harvesting, to prevent collapse. Still, illegal or unregulated fishing is an increasing threat. This is more than politics. It's a geopolitical powder keg with economic, ecological, and strategic implications, especially since climate change is reshaping the seascape. If you're blown away by how much the Southern Ocean shapes our planet, smash the like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, did anything surprise you most? Maybe the Antarctic pumping your carbon, or krill being the world's hidden keystone species. Let's chat. Cartographers once excluded this ocean due to its remoteness. Today, satellite tools like SeaRise and Argo floats map temperature, currents, and salinity with precision. These datasets fuel global climate models and ship routing systems. The Antarctic is now one of the world's most digitally mapped and monitored regions. Tech companies like Google, scientists, and defense agencies deploy research buoys, gliders, and ice-measuring radars to monitor changes in real time. This data helps governments and companies forecast shipping hazards and global climate trends. But it also raises concerns about data transparency and increased military interest in the region. The Southern Ocean's labs have yielded monumental discoveries. The Antarctic ozone hole, discovered in the 1980s, drove the Montreal Protocol, one of history's most successful environmental treaties. Ancient core samples revealed debated events like the Younger Dryas cooling period and past high carbon dioxide spikes, crucial for modern climate science. Bioprospecting microbes from Mount Erebus vents are leading to new antibiotics and enzymes used in medicine and industry. Today, projects like the International Thwaites Glacier Collaboration and Southern Ocean Observing System, SOOS, are investigating how glacial melt could impact ocean circulation and sea level rise. These findings aren't just for scientists, they impact global coastal communities, insurance markets, and our understanding of climate change. The Antarctic tourism industry, mainly via cruise ships, limited by IMO safety standards, is growing. Tourists marvel at penguin colonies, glaciers, and unique wildlife in a fragile ecosystem. Scientific diplomacy thrives here, too. Nations collaborate on research, emergency response, and preserve ecosystems under multilateral treaties. It's a rare example of peaceful international cooperation in a contested region. Looking ahead, the Southern Ocean sits at the crossroads of crucial global trends. Climate feedback loops, melting ice warms oceans, reducing carbon dioxide absorption, accelerating warming. New shipping routes. As sea ice retreats, shorter routes appear, but with new environmental, logistical, and military risks. Resource access. Fisheries, minerals, freshwater from ice. How will regulations evolve? Digital sovereignty. Who gets to map, collect data, and control access? A growing battleground in geopolitics. This ocean is no longer an empty peninsula of cold water. It's becoming a strategic zone with economic, ecological, and geopolitical weight. How nations respond here will echo across policy, trade, and global climate strategy. The Southern Ocean may be the least known ocean, but it belongs in every serious discussion about climate, geopolitics, and Earth's future. Its currents regulate weather, its ecosystems harbor unknown life, and its governance tests international cooperation. If you care about the planet and politics, this hidden ocean should be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content on geopolitics, global affairs, and the hidden forces shaping our world.